Welcome to Quiz T10. This is an ultimate climate and weather quiz with under 10 well crafted questions covering global climates, weather patterns, and extreme weather events. Let's get started. What is the name of the desert that covers most of North Africa? Correct answer is Sahara Desert. Which climate zone is typically found near the equator? Correct answer is tropical. What term describes a rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground? Correct answer is tornado. Which phenomena is associated with heavy rainfall and seasonal wind changes in South Asia? Correct answer is monsoon. What is the primary cause of Earth's weather? Correct answer is sun's energy. Which layer of the atmosphere contains most of the Earth's weather? Correct answer is thermosphere. What is the name of the scale used to classify hurricanes? Correct answer is Saffir-Simpson scale. Which ocean current warms the western coast of Europe? Correct answer is Gulf Stream. What is El Nino? Correct answer is a warm ocean current in the Pacific. Which weather instrument measures atmospheric pressure? Correct answer is barometer. What kind of climate does the Amazon rainforest experience? Correct answer is tropical rainforest. Which type of cloud is most commonly associated with thunderstorms? Answer is cumulonimbus. What is a drought? Correct answer is an extended period without rainfall. Which region experiences the most tornadoes in the world? United States. What is the term for a narrow, fast-moving current of air found high in the atmosphere? Correct answer is jet stream. What causes wind? Correct answer is differences in air pressure. What is the frozen form of precipitation that falls during cold storms? Correct answer is snow. What does a hygrometer measure? Correct answer is humidity. Which natural disaster can be caused by excessive rainfall and melting snow? Correct answer is flood. In which zone would you find tundra climates? Correct answer is polar. Which phenomena is described as a sudden overflow of water due to heavy rain or dam failure? Right answer is flood. What term describes the long-term average of weather in a particular region? Correct answer is climate. Which of the following is not a type of precipitation? Correct answer is fog. What is the term for rainfall that contains harmful chemicals due to pollution? Correct answer is acid rain. Which climate zone experiences four distinct seasons? Correct answer is temperate. Which continent is home to the world's driest place, the Atacama Desert? Correct answer is South America. What type of front is associated with steady rain and warmer air? Correct answer is warm front. What causes the seasons on Earth? Correct answer is Earth's axial tilt. What is the most common gas in Earth's atmosphere? Correct answer is nitrogen. What is the swirling storm that forms over warm ocean waters, bringing strong winds and heavy rain? Correct answer is hurricane. What is the effect called when greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere? Correct answer is greenhouse effect. What kind of wind is formed when cool air from the sea moves inland to replace rising warm air? Correct answer is sea breeze. Which polar region is colder due to its higher elevation and location? Correct answer is Antarctic. What is the term for a weather condition where visibility is reduced by suspended dust in the air? Correct answer is sandstorm. What do isobars on a weather map represent? Correct answer is pressure level. Which term refers to a local wind system that reverses direction seasonally? Correct answer is monsoon. Which of the following is a sign of an approaching cold front? Correct answer is sudden drop in temperature and thunderstorms. What is the name for high altitude clouds that are thin and wispy? Correct answer is cirrus. What is the term for a periodic of abnormally high temperature? Correct answer is heat wave. Which part of a hurricane has the calmest weather? Correct answer is I. What is the primary gas responsible for global warming? Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which area on Earth receives the most sunlight throughout the year? Correct answer is equator. What instrument is used to measure wind speed? Correct answer is anemometer. What type of climate is typically found in the Sahara Desert? Correct answer is arid. What causes a rainbow to appear after rain? Correct answer is refraction and reflection of sunlight in water droplets. What does the ozone layer protect life on Earth from? Correct answer is ultraviolet rays. What is the cloud type that covers the sky in thick gray layer and often causes light rain? Correct answer is stratus. What is the term for a rotating storm over tropical oceans that can devastate coastal areas? Correct answer is typhoon. Which hemisphere has more landmass and therefore greater climate variation? Correct answer is northern hemisphere. What term refers to regular pattern of wind that move from east to west near the equator? Correct answer is trade wind. What is the term for frozen rain that forms in layers before falling to the ground? Correct answer is hail. What is the line on a weather map that connects area of equal temperature? Correct answer is isotherm. What do meteorologists study? Correct answer is weather and climate. Which country is most commonly hit by tropical cyclones in the Pacific Ocean? Correct answer is Philippines. What happens to air as it rises in the atmosphere? Correct answer, it cools and expands. Which term best describes a long-term lack of precipitation in a region? Correct answer is drought. Which country experiences the coldest recorded temperature on Earth? Correct answer is Antarctica. What type of weather is associated with high pressure systems? Correct answer is calm and clear weather. What natural phenomena can trigger mudslides in mountainous regions? Correct answer is heavy rainfall. What is the name of the warm ocean current that occasionally disrupts global weather patterns? Correct answer is El Nino. Which type of climate is characterized by very cold winter, mild summer, and coniferous forest? Correct answer is subarctic. Which cloud type resembles fluffy cotton and indicates fair weather? Correct answer is cumulus. What is the average time span over which climate is measured? Correct answer is 30 years. Which part of the world is known for experiencing the Mediterranean climate? Correct answer is Southern Europe. What is the term for a warm, dry wind that descends the leeward side of mountains? Correct answer is Chinook. What is a blizzard? Correct answer is a snowstorm with strong wind and low visibility. What weather phenomena often occurs when a cold air mass meets a warm air mass? Correct answer is front formation. What is the cause of lightning during a thunderstorm? Correct answer is static electricity between clouds and the ground. Which side of a mountain receives the most rainfall due to moist air rising and cooling? Correct answer is windward side. What do you call the side of a mountain that receives little rainfall? Correct answer is rain shadow. What is the name of the seasonal wind reversal in the Indian Ocean that brings heavy rainfall to India? Correct answer is Indian monsoon. Which city is famous for having a Mediterranean climate? Correct answer is Los Angeles. Which climate type experiences little temperature variation and high rainfall year round? Correct answer is tropical rainforest. What is the name of the strong tropical cyclone found in the Indian Ocean? Correct answer is cyclone. What causes coastal cities to have milder climate compared to inland cities? Correct answer is influence of nearby oceans. Which global wind belt is located between 30° and 60° latitude and moves from west to east? Correct answer is westerlies. What is the name of the process where water vapor turns into liquid? Correct answer is condensation. What do weather satellites primarily observe from space? Correct answer is atmospheric conditions. Name the gas that causes smog and respiratory issues when concentrated in lower atmosphere. Correct answer is ozone. Which part of the earth experiences the midnight sun during summer months? Correct answer is Arctic Circle. Which instrument is used to measure rainfall? Correct answer is rain gauge. What causes coastal fog to form? Correct answer is warm air over cold water. What is the term for the condition where the ground remains frozen year round? Correct answer is permafrost. What is the name of the event where sea levels rise due to storm winds or pushing ocean water from shore? Correct answer is storm surge. Which continent has the most diverse climate zones? Correct answer is Asia. Which region is most likely to experience El Nino effect? Correct answer is Eastern Pacific. What type of front brings quick intense storm followed by cooler temperatures? Correct answer is cold front. What are trade winds known for historically? Correct answer is assisting sailing ships across the oceans. What does a red sky at night usually indicate? Correct answer is clear weather is I8. What happens during a temperature inversion? Correct answer is warm air traps cooler air near the surface. What is the name of the boundary between two air masses? Correct answer is front. Which gas is most important for absorbing heat in the atmosphere? Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Where are the world's highest average wind speed recorded? Correct answer is Antarctic coast. What does humidity refer to? Correct answer is water vapor in the air. What type of severe weather is characterized by funnel-shaped clouds touching the ground? Correct answer is tornado. Which is the driest non-polar desert in the world? Correct answer is Atacama Desert. Which natural disaster is measured on the enhanced Fujita scale? Correct answer is tornado. What is the primary cause of ocean currents? Correct answer is wind and Earth's rotation. What happens to the climate as altitude increases? Correct answer is it becomes colder and less humid. Which of these terms refers to the average weather in a particular location over time? Correct answer is climate. What is the term for the climate found in high mountain regions regardless of latitude? Correct answer is highland. What is the term for clouds that produce rain or snow? Correct answer is nimbus. Which factor has the greatest influence on regional climate? Correct answer is distance from the equator. What weather event is characterized by rapid freezing of rain as it hits old surfaces? Correct answer is freezing rain. What is the scientific term for the water cycle process where water changes directly from gas to solid? Correct answer is deposition. What is the typical effect of La Nina on global climate? Correct answer is cooler ocean temperature and intensified storms. Which desert is considered the coldest on Earth? Correct answer is Antarctica. Name the rotating low pressure weather system with strong winds that operates in the northern hemisphere. Correct answer is all of the above. What is the Beaufort scale used to measure? Correct answer is wind speed. What is the term for the thin layer of gas that surrounds Earth? Correct answer is atmosphere. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Also share with friends and subscribe to Quiz D10 for more exciting quizzes. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.